y'all fucking with son. I'ma rock this shit till I'm 101. Still busting my gun, fucking for fun. Enough weed for 10 blunts, but I stuff it in one. No stopping us, so rock with us, cause y'all niggas can't see me with binoculars. Who hide as us? Shots I bust. If you not with us, then call it a night. Or I could beat your ass down and we could call it a fight. I cocked the 9, cause that's how I'm on it tonight. I'm like the new freshman, taking all of your light, but I'm a senior, smoking niggas like Manga Pina. Party Artie, what up, pimp was percolating. Flow so tight it could stop your circulation. Word to Satan, I've been to hell and back. So where my ghetto dwellers at, under 347 crack.
My lungs collapse, start beef so my guns could clap. I'm done with rap, on the block with tons of crack. I put your mind to the mat. Ain't that many niggas that you can find with the Mac. I'm blued up from the boots up, put your dukes up. Driving around in the drop with the roof up. What part of the game is that? See pieces of your flesh, niggas, like what part of your frame is that? Pop your head off, what part of your brain is that? I'm a famous cat, you better blaze this track. I'm the head nigga in charge, like Duke from Queensbridge. And catch a nigga in the coupe with a mean bitch. Put the gat in your mouth, blow your back through your mouth. Leave your shit numb like you put the pack in your mouth. Got the crack in the house, got the stack in the house. Feds rush the crib, running out the back of the house.
Think y'all can hold it down?
What?
When we strike, you really like? Nah. Y'all phony niggas kill me, son.
Yup.
If you feel me, say you feel me, or
Go ahead, baby.
do you think y'all can hold it down?
What?
When we strike, you really like?
Nah.
Y'all phony niggas kill me, son.
Yup.
If you feel me, say you feel me, or
Go ahead, baby.
AG, I write an album in an hour. And ask your girl, I'm bout it in the shower. You like milk and in time you sour. Catch me on an expedition with Eddie Bauer. Can't fuck with us, so fuck with us. Got about 10 bitches in the truck with us. I'm the best to do it, let's just do it. I'm a killer like Miller, I just catch and shoot it. Now you execute it, dog was extra stupid. The pain came, didn't think that vest would do it. Sales are down, drugs, guns, and sex should do it. Before your fan was one, now there's sections to it.